Hey guys, what's going on? We're doing an outside vlog today. Vlog. Okay. Yeah. Parents told us to go outside because we've been on the internet all day and we use it all up. So we're like, yeah, we gotta go outside. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, it's kind of raining right now, so we're kind of look. Why would you use the flash? Kind of look like homeless people outside. But, yeah. Look at all the nature. I love nature. Nature's so nice. I love the outside world. How's it even fucking rain if there's no like clouds? Oh, yeah, there actually is clouds. Like, you get what I mean. Wait, isn't that like Hello Neighbor running physics? like whoa. Yeah. I love nature. Let's sniff the leaves. The leaves? Like, oh, it smells so good. Nature. I can't even breathe because of the mask. Ow.
You gotta wear your mask.
Do you remember when we used to wear masks in the videos unironically, and now it's an ironic part?
Yes.
That's kind of funny. That was way back in 2019. That's when we started the channel.
2 years ago.
2 fucking years ago. Whoa, man. That's really long ago. That's really far ago. I was gonna say.
Far.
I love nature. Nature's so nice. I think we're in the middle of buttfuck nowhere, but we're alright.
Is that an object in the middle of the road?
We get nature to show us where to go. We'll just follow the stars. Because you can see the stars right now.
Follow the Star of David.
Isn't that fucking Jew symbol?
Yeah.
Jewish symbol? I would have said something, but I think I would get taken down for that shit.
Mm.
Jewish people stink.
Whoa, autopsy.
That isn't, holy some bird gets smoked. Look at its face.
What the dog doing?
Something crunched.
What the dog doing?
That's not a dog, that's a bird.
Oh,
A bird?
oh my god. What? Oh, really?
Look at my shit. A bird gets smoked. Whoa, nature, bro. Whoa. I get too carried away. Surprised any cars. Wait. Surprised any cars haven't gone by. Pause the video while the car goes by. You haven't paused it, have you?
No. The car hasn't went by yet.
Oh, stinky. Now the people that are watching the video are gonna hear.
Okay. There.
Don't get the license plate.
Oh.
I have to take off my mask so we don't look like a home invader on the side of the street.
Your hair. It's like.
It's like. Whoa. Okay, some unoriginal content lore here. or some inside information. Oh, it's summer. I don't know if you knew. I don't know if you knew that, guys, but it's summer. So we're gonna be recording videos every day for you. Yay! More unoriginal content. If you couldn't get enough of these If you couldn't get enough of us, now you really can. Yay! Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Have you noticed that we're walking back now? I'm kind of scared. I'm scared and lost.
It's kind of dark out.
It's getting pretty rainy outside too. Says that. Getting pretty rainy. Hey, look, it's weed, guys. Oh, I need to tie my shoe. I did that on purpose.
Oh,
My
really?
shoe actually does need to be tied, but I don't know. I'm not doing it now. Zoom in on my ass. Is that animal dead?
No,
It's still alive.
it's fine, PETA. Okay. Talking to PETA, it's not dead, bro.
Peter.
PETA.